Greetings to everyone. This is Mrs. Margaret Murray, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Biotechnology, St. Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. In this video, we are going to see about fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin D and K. Vitamin K, this is the fat soluble vitamin. It plays a major role in post translation modification. It acts as a coenzyme for carboxylase enzyme. This is the only vitamin which acts as a coenzyme. It is absorbed from the intestinal tract and it is incorporated into the chylomicrons and it is stored in liver, adipose tissues and muscles. This is essential for coagulation. In German, the coagulation is started with the letter K. Because of that, it is called vitamin K. This vitamin, it is exist in three forms. Phyloquinone, it is represented by K1. It found in plants. Menaquinone, K2, it is synthesized by bacteria in gut of human. Menadione, K3, synthetic form of vitamin K provided as a medical supplement. All these forms are ubiquinone-like structure. Chemistry of vitamin K. This is vitamin K1 phyloquinone structure, vitamin K2 menaquinone structure, and vitamin K3 is menadione. All these structures contains the quinone ring in its structure. Sources of vitamin K. This Brussels sprouts, beans, kiwi, asparagus, cabbage, spinach, turnip greens, broccoli. These are the richest source of vitamin K. Properties of vitamin K. It's look like yellow viscous oil. This it is a yellowish crystalline solid. It kept in dark bottles, so it is sensitive to light. Because of that, it is always kept in dark bottles. It is destroyed by radiation, strong acids, alkalis, and oxidizing agents. Biological roles of vitamin K. This vitamin K acts as a coenzyme for the enzyme carboxylase. This carboxylation process is involved in the inactive precursor of blood clotting factor 2, 7 and 9 is converted into active forms. Here, this blood clotting factor 2 is converted into prothrombin, 7 is proconvertin, 11 is Christmas factor and 10 is Stewart power factor. Deficiencies in terms of this vitamin K. It is widely distributed in nature. This vitamin K deficiency is very rare. The deficiency can occur due to the consumption of antibiotics, which with intestinal bacteria, it will wash out all the intestinal bacteria. Because of this only, this vitamin K deficiency will occur. The excessive loss of this vitamin K will occur during the diarrhea diseases, and then vitamin K deficiency increases the coagulation time. And this is how the coagulation time will occur means it will inactivation of this blood clotting factors 2, 7, 9 and 10, and so that the bleeding occurs in minor injuries. In child and infant, excess vitamin K result in hemolytic anemia and jaundice. This is because of the severe effect of RBC. In infants, vitamin K should be supplemented early in their lifetime because they have the sterile intestine. Mother's milk cannot provide the sufficient vitamin K. People with the severe vitamin K deficiency also require vitamin K supplement. Next, water soluble vitamin. This vitamin D, it has a fancy name that is called the sunshine vitamin. This is one of the essential fat soluble vitamins. It has the significance in helping the body absorb the calcium. So the calcium is important for the promoting the bone growth and remodeling of bones. The fat soluble vitamin exists in two forms, which are vitamin D3. This vitamin D3 is also known as cholecalciferols, which can be naturally produced in the body. Vitamin D2, it is known as ergocalciferols. It is consumed through our diet. The sunshine vitamin is present in the human body in inactive form. The sun rays, which convert the cholesterol present in the body into the cold calciferol. The cold calciferol is synthesized in the liver through the calcifidiol and which undergoes the hydrolysis process in the kidneys to give the active form of calcitrol. The calcitrol circulates in the blood in the form of hormone and plays an important role in the absorption of calcium. The sources of vitamin D are mushroom, egg yolk, fatty fish, safe sun exposure, spinach, tuna. These are the richest source of functions. Calcium is very important for the human body. It is the building block of bones. It is absorbed by the body due to the presence of vitamin D, extremely beneficial in the natural growth and remodeling of bones. It reduces the risk of fracture, strengthen the bones, maintain overall body balance, and provides the body with a strong and perfect skeletal structure with the help of this vitamin D. It is important for the dental health also. It prevents the tooth decay and strengthens the gums and reduces the risk of oral infections. It plays a vital role in regulating the renal functions and protecting the kidney from any infections. At the same time, this vitamin D it's important for the cellular growth, repair, and metabolisms. And exposure to the sunlight is always effective in wound healing and repair mechanism. It plays a major role in reducing the obesity and maintaining the proper weight. How it will maintain the proper weight means this vitamin D it restores the appetite hormone leptin. So we are not feeling of fullness and reduces the tendency of snacking all the time. So through this we can maintain our weight. Deficiency symptoms are rickets. Rickets is characterized by the reduced growth and softening of bones. We can see in the children because of this deficiency of this vitamin D, children develop very thin, deformed bones and bowed backbone. Osteomalacia. We can see this osteomalacia in elderly people, those who are suffering from vitamin D deficiency. This reduces the absorption of calcium in the body, leading to the soft and deformed bone structure. And because of that, persons will get the spinal cord and legs an increased risk of osteoporosis. This is most commonly we can see in the elderly people. Bone density reduces. That is called the osteoporosis. It will make the bones into more porous in nature and increase the risk of broken bone. And poor level of vitamin D in the body also make you prone to infections and reduce the wound healing, cause fatigue and weakness. Dementia, this is called the memory loss. It will affect the daily life in many ways. Alzheimer's and vascular dementia, quite common forms of memory loss in the old age. And the people who have normal vitamin D levels, they will have the normal memory power, and the people with the lower vitamin D increased risk of developing dementia in early age. This is the assessment. Viewers, kindly give your answers in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.